Excellent opportunity in Whispering Ridge. Semi-detached end-unit home is fully developed with no neighbors behind, attached garage and county taxes. 2-story home with open floor plan, 3 bedrooms up, including upstairs laundry, 2.5 bathrooms and a fully developed basement with finished family room, full bathroom, 4th bedroom. Beautifully designed and equipped kitchen with upgraded appliances, pantry, eat-up bar for entertaining and overlooks the living and dining room. Dining walks onto large barbecue deck, tiered for seating and some sunshine, yard is landscaped and fenced. Large master suite upstairs with walk-through ensuite and walk-in closet, large windows plus 2 more bedroom up. Basement is professionally finished with theater room setup, and guest bedroom and BTHRM plus storage.